It's springtime here in Ohio, and you know what that means? Unpredictable weather and projects we get to do outside. Today, we're going to be building a project that I wanted to do since I was a child for some reason. That is, mounting a model rocket on my arm. With the power of 3D printing, and a few scraps found from around the house, we're going to be able to build our own rocket launcher. And not the kind you're thinking. Stay tuned. Okay, first, you're going to need a rocket. You can either buy one from the store, or you can 3D print your own like I did. And this took about 10 hours to 3D print. It comes in a little just cluster of the prints. What we're going to do is we're going to see if this 3D printed rocket that I partially painted will just explode from the rockets. Here we have two different types of engines. We have the B class and the C class. I have a B64 and I have a C65. On the screen behind me is what those numbers on the tops mean. I am not a rocket scientist, so let's go test this rocket in the field and see if it actually works. Oh my god! We're gonna take 30 hours now and 3D print 3 of them. Like, there we go. It's been 30 hours and I totally didn't just run down a flight of stairs to grab them. Well, now that we have all the rockets printed, what we can do is we can actually work on the mechanism that launches them from my arm. So I took that brazing rod that we used on the first test, and it fits perfectly in the hole of the rocket. So I just modified a little bit and came up with this. Okay, I know it looks like a lot, but all it is a rail with an L bracket back here that holds the brazing rod at a horizontal angle. You could use 2 pieces of wood with a hole in it and a screw on the brazing rod or any rod that fits rockets and make this exact same thing. All I added was some few pieces of aluminum to protect my body from the exhaust of the engines, and a piece of aluminum that I found for the handle. I just took a piece of wood and just cut grooves in it, making it fit nicely on my hand. And then I also took a strap, and that's all it is. It's really not that hard. So let's actually go and test it out. Patreon supporter now, and his name is here. Unless he doesn't want to hear it, then it'll just be a blank square. Well, anyways, thanks for watching till the end of the video. If I lost an arm because I recorded this at the beginning of the video, then just CGI this arm off. No worries. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and it gives me motivation to actually get these videos out a little bit quicker. Thanks, bye.